Transforming your night rides, urban commutes, or festival trips into an interactive, high-visibility statement without sacrificing gear protection usually means transitioning to a programmable, tech-integrated hardshell carrier. The Gelrova LED Motorcycle Helmet Backpack, Rampage Series 17-inch with DIY pixel fashion LED display, redefines rider gear by combining aerodynamic structural armor, customizable pixel art animation, and expandable everyday utility. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its integrated full-color Matrix LED display paired with seamless Bluetooth smartphone app control, LOI Space/LOI Play. Instead of struggling with static reflective gear or plain packs that blend into dark traffic, this system lets you instantly upload and display custom text, striking pixel images, dynamic GIFs, or animated graphics to dramatically boost your road presence. Performance and everyday versatility streamline gear transport whether you are riding a motorcycle, commuting on an e-scooter, or walking across a campus. Sculpted from a waterproof, aerodynamic hardshell exterior, the backpack shields your valuables from unexpected weather and impacts. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by an expandable internal zipper compartment that expands up to 26L to securely stow a full-face helmet when off the bike, a dedicated compartment for a 14-inch laptop, multiple organization pockets, and ergonomic 3D breathable mesh back padding for all-day comfort. Things to consider before you buy power bank required. The built-in LED matrix screen operates via a standard USB connection, but a portable power bank is not included. You will need to supply your own standard USB power bank, tucked into an internal pocket, to juice up the display. Expandable hardshell design. While the hardshell profile offers fantastic impact resistance and a sleek, futuristic look, its structural rigidity means it maintains a fixed shape unless unzipped to utilize the helmet expansion bay. So, who is this really for? This programmable LED backpack is an absolute home run for night riding motorcyclists, urban commuters, and cyberpunk fashion enthusiasts who want maximum visibility, customizable pixel art, and built-in helmet storage. If you prefer a minimalist, ultra-soft fabric rucksack or a lightweight nylon day pack for hiking, a traditional soft-sided bag will better match your aesthetic needs. Is it worth the money? If you value high-visibility night safety, fully customizable smartphone-controlled pixel animations, a protective water-resistant hard shell, and a hidden expandable bay for your helmet, it is a premier, head-turning investment for your daily ride.